Hey everyone, it's MNTL, and today I'm going to blow your mind with 5 secret ways to make 200 a day in India. And these are so unique that you have probably never heard them before. Each one is fresh, simple, and something anyone can start today. Trust me, you don't want to miss a single second because the last one is an absolute game changer. Let's get started and stick with me till the end. Let's kick off with an idea you might have in your backyard. Selling plant cuttings. Yes, you can turn those tiny plant cuttings into cash. Indoor gardening is trending right now, and people are willing to pay for healthy cuttings to grow their own plants. All you need to do is promote them through local Instagram pages and Facebook gardening groups. It's quick, easy, and surprisingly profitable. Trust me, you can get started with zero investment. But wait, till you hear what's next. It's even easier than this, okay? So let's jump into it. Have a Photoshop subscription you don't ever use at any time? Or maybe you got access to Canva Pro, Stock Exchange, or other premium software? Here's a unique hack. Rent out your digital tools. Tons of people need short-term access to this but don't want to pay full price. You can charge them for temporary access and make your 200 in no time. It's passive income from something you already own. But stay tuned. What if I told you the next idea lets you make your money while you're literally asleep? Yes, you heard it right. Getting paid while you are asleep. It's not a dream. Apps like Sleep Code will exactly and actually pay you for tracking your sleep patterns. They collect your data for sleep research, and you can make 200 or more just for doing what you are already doing, sleeping. So, why not you make money while you are sleeping 8 hours a day? If you think this is cool, wait till I share the next one. It's going to let you earn money by adding a little mystery to people's life. Here's a super way to make money. Selling mystery boxes. Imagine packing cool little items, snacks, stationery, gadgets and selling them as a mystery boxes. People love surprises and they'll pay more just to see what's inside. You can sell them online through local marketplaces or even on Instagram and you'll hit that 200 rupees mark soon as possible. The fun part, every box you sell is a surprise. So people keep coming back. And stick around because my final idea is going to turn something you love into easy cash. Love shopping? Well, you can get paid to shop. People are always looking for rare limited edition items like sneakers, gadgets and concert tickets, but they don't have time to find them. That's where you come in. Become a personal shopping assistant, help people track and buy these hard to get items and charge a small fee for your service. You can easily make 200 or more a day just by doing what you already enjoy. And the best part, you're helping people score awesome finds. How cool really it is, right? And there you have it. 5 secret ways to make 200 a day in India. And these are ideas you can start right now. No heavy investment, no complicated steps, just unique, fun ways to bring in that cash. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to MNTL for more hidden making money hacks and let me know in the comments which idea you are trying first. Who knows, you might even hit more than 200 a day. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.